just finished my work and have some more work. On the left hand side you can see west side here. I'm near Bhai chowk in front of Gandhi market, and this mall on the left hand side is Omax Plaza. There is Decathlon, V2V cinemas and a gym here, Ultimate Gyms. The name of the gym keeps on changing, the owners keeps on changing mostly. And on the left hand side this is DK Electronics and Peddi Electronics, very popular in the city for electronics. And on the right hand side you can see the construction still going on. And if you want to see how the city looks before this, maybe I got some shots I just saw from my past videos on the YouTube. I uploaded while riding on the cycle. I have some of the footage of the Bharatnagar chowk. I can show you that one if you want. Now it's almost 11 a.m. now, and in spite of 11 a.m. the heat is just below unbearable while you are riding two-wheeler. But if you just parked it for 5-10 minutes, then you won't be able to sit comfortably for a few minutes. I just keep some water in the transport to just cool down the seat before I sit down, and that helps a lot. You don't need to sit down on such ass burning seat. So that's cool, man. So I need to get out of the city, so I'll just choose to use the flyover, the clock tower flyover. I don't know what that flyover is called. Maybe you can just have a look on the Google Maps and let me know. And this part of the section is just being constructed. It's not been connected with the main flyover yet, but the construction is going on the full swing. And after the construction is completed of the flyover, then there would be less traffic. And of course in the summers, guys like me moving on two-wheeler transport, so we usually would have a shade area, a 500 crore umbrella. I don't know the exact cost, I am just giving an idea. Because it's still under construction, so the estimated cost would be on the internet, but the final cost would be after the completion only, because after being in the construction for a few years, and sometimes some materials are going too expensive, so because of that because of the delay also, the cost is mostly higher than the quoted cost. And on the left hand side you can see Durga Mata Mandir, and this part of the section is very rough. You need to be slow, the road jumps a lot. This is a bridge, Firozpur Bridge. Man, very old car, Esteem, Maruti Suzuki Esteem. And now the Maruti has been taken over or being bought by the Suzuki. Now Suzuki owns it, so that's why we usually see Suzuki logo on the cars. Left hand side a small temple, and on right hand side that bridge that was under construction, I guess 4 or 5 years it was under construction, and the cost of the bridge is more than 100 crores. A lot of steel and a lot of engineering went into the bridge. Wow, you can see a car, a toy car. Wow, nice. Having a traffic light here. I'll wait for the signal to turn green and we'll just continue with the journey. In this guy, he was looking at our electric transport. So we have a green signal, but the traffic is still coming. So this is the clock tower flyover, and it is the best way if you want to get out of the city fast. And after that, Firozpur Road flyovers also gets completed if you are just entering the city and just want to take exit. That would be faster route after visiting the city. Usually roads are being constructed with the star pattern of the roads, but it should be constructed with the grid pattern. That helps to reduce the traffic and the concentration of important services or important things in the center of the city. Because of that, we face traffic, and people like us that they don't have enough money to buy expensive homes inside the city, we usually go outside 5-10 kilometers outside from the center of the city. So every day people like us, usually 1 or half an hour, they are into the traffic, also into the traveling part of their life. So because of that, it usually get more rush, and that's why we waste such a valuable time of our life stuck in the traffic, because we can't afford the housing in the city. So the newer city should be constructed with the grid pattern of the roads, not the star pattern. I'll just show some pics on the screen for you to understand what's the difference between a grid city and a grid road city and the star structure city. You can see that same temple. That, I don't know, that's very high, man, for the temple shrine. That's a lot. And that temple does not see so much footfall also, because it is located near the Buddha, and sometimes it can get pretty smelly sometimes. Hopefully you are enjoying the videos. Please give it a subscribe if you are watching for the first time and you like watching videos like this. And I usually upload some commentary videos also, like this one, and but most of the time, if I don't have time to do commentary, if I'm with someone, then I usually prefer adding traffic sounds or music, either way. I will make a schedule to upload daily, and I'll make a schedule to let you know which day music videos will be coming, which day traffic sound videos will be coming, and on which day video like this MotoVlog videos will be coming. So that will be easy for me also to manage, and easy for you also to just know on which day you should watch your favorite videos. If you watch all the one, then a big thank you from my side, because I need a lot of support from you guys to support this kind of channel. Very few channels on the YouTube like this, because I usually don't make travel style videos. I have just started with the DashCam videos only, and the channel also suggests that same Gedi DashCam. Gedi, if you don't know, Gedi is like traveling with your friends for just time pass, or for just occasional ride in the evening or at late night. That is called Gedi. In the Chandigarh, the Gedi culture is very popular. You can see in many Punjabi songs and Bollywood songs also what the Gedi culture is. You can see the many songs illustrate that. So I am just out of the city now. See that auntie taking so much risk. That guy also should, but he was very near, man. Very hard to stop so fast. So I am out of the city, so I'll just finish the video here. So if you like the video, give it a like, watching video and enjoying, and want to watch more videos like this, give it a subscribe. See you in another video. Take care. Until then, bye bye.